Hello everybody. We will start the practical number 3 programs to draw a line using a Braingems algorithm. We have already discussed about or performed the practical number 1 and 2. In the previous video, we have performed the to draw a line using a DD algorithm. So in this video, in this program, to draw a line using a Braingems algorithm. Every line has a 2 points, the starting points and the ending points are there. So this lines algorithm is an algorithm that determines the points of an n-dimensional raster that should be selected in order to form a close approximation to a straight line between 2 points. So it is commonly used to draw line primitives in a bitmap image. Some of the program outcomes. The first is the basic knowledge. So in this program, some outcomes occur, and these are the basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, and communications are here. For the executions of these programs, you should be using Turbo C and write a syntax for the graphics function. Then develop C program to draw a basic graphics object. So the first is you have to write down the syntax for the graphics function, and then the write and save a simple C programs in the bin folder. Then after that, then what is the Braingems line algorithm? I taught already the Braingems line algorithm in theory section, but now some theoretical parts are here. The Braingems line algorithm determines the points of an n-dimensional raster that is selected to form a close approximation to a straight line between the 2 points. It is used to draw line primitives in a bitmap image, as it uses only integer addition, subtractions, and the bit shifting are here. It is an incremental error algorithm. It is the one of the earliest algorithm developed in the field of computer graphics. The initial point is x1 and y1, and terminal point is the x2 and y2. In the device space is there, and so the DA is used as this is the assumable axis, and the DA is used as the axis of control for the algorithms and is the axis of the maximum movement. Within the main loop of the algorithm, the coordinate corresponding to the DA is incremented by 1 unit. So the procedures of this algorithm. The first is the input the 2 line endpoints, and storing the left endpoints in the x0 and y0 is there, and the plot the point in the x0 and y0. This plotting this point is for the pixels, and calculate the constant delta x and delta y, delta 2 delta y, and in bracket 2 delta y minus 2 delta x are there, and get the first value. And after the calculations of this, they get the first value for the decision parameter as p0 is equal to 2 delta y minus 2 delta x. At each xk along the line, the starting at k is equal to 0, perform the following test. If pk is less than is equal to 0, then pk is less than 0, then the next point to plot is the xk plus 1. So every time you have to increment the 1 from the starting points are here, and then otherwise the next point if plot is the xk plus 1, yk plus 1 is there, and pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 delta y minus 2 delta x, and this repeat step is the 4 in the delta x times are there, and after these equations, solving this equation, the outputs are shown in the like this. This straight lines are drawn on the screen. So, Then computer systems are which is computer systems are you have to use in your uh, home. So you have to write down the specification of your computer system. After then the which software are used in the graphics functions, or performing this practical, so you have to write down the software are here. And I think the turbo C is used for the software. This is the compulsory in the graphics mode. And any other resource are used, you have to write down the any other resource are used in these executions of this practical. And then after that the result of this, when you get the actual output from this program, then you have to write down here the output of the programs, and then the conclusions are also here. Then we have studied the algorithm, we have studied to draw a line using a Brinjin's line algorithms, and the conclusions are here. So then here the give the following values for every iterations of a Brinjin's algorithm to draw a line 3 4 to 6 8. And this value and the calculations I will provide it in a picture way. So wait for some times, I will provide it this on your WhatsApp groups. And this is the implementation programs are here. You have to type on your notepad, and after that they open on the turbo C. And then first you have to compile these programs, and then if error not found, then you have to run these programs on your terminal. So, and after executions of these programs, you get the output on your screen. This is the program, and then output is here. Okay, a line draw for using a Brinjin's line algorithms. This is the PPTs are explained here. And I will show the actual executions of these programs in this another video.